How to mute words on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you on muting specific words on Twitter. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of X or Twitter application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, go to Settings and Support, and from the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Now from this menu, go to Privacy and Safety, that is just below the monetization option. Click on it. Here you will see options for muting and blocking. Click on the Mute and Block option, that is the fourth one. Click on it. Here, to add a word or phrase you want to mute, tap on the plus icon at the bottom and you can enter the word or the phrase such as key, and you can choose to mute notifications and the home timeline, and you can set it to mute from everyone or just from the people you don't follow. So you can also select how long you want to mute it, for example, forever. And when you're ready, you can click on Save in the upper right corner and you'll now have successfully muted your chosen words. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.